Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Expedia's itinerary not showing step by step. First, go ahead and log in into your account and go to the trip sections and then check your bookings. Next, refresh the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, close it completely and reopen it, as temporary glitches may prevent your itinerary from appearing. Then, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Also, confirm that your booking was successful by checking your email for confirmation. If it does not do, try logging out and logging back in, or long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. Then go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall the Expedia app to get a fresh start. That's how you fix the Expedia's itinerary not showing. Do not forget to subscribe for more help.